You're going to meet some of the best educators in the country. These They have put the best years of their life not only teaching but making the education for the future schools and colleges. They don't just teach by as a job, but is their heart and mind all put together. Here is one of the director of the program, Dr. Christos Zahapoulos, bringing all the Greek wisdom and the modern science together and putting in such an elegant way. Here's Dr. Eugene Seleton. Without that, this course could not have been completed because he has set all the syllabus and put all the manuals, etc. And the style and the calmness he has, which lot of people, modern educators, they can learn a lot just by his calmness and thoroughness. A true example of the perfect gentleman.
And almost everybody says it'll roll that way. I'm sorry, the table's tilted, the newspaper's tilted. So the question is, why is it going in that direction?
Well, because the pivot point is as the contact at the table, and the force is at
That's
the...
exactly correct. What people don't realize is that when something is rolling, the bottom point is stationary. So that instantaneously the wheel is pivoting about that bottom point. That's the pivot, instantaneously. It stops being the pivot as soon as it leaves the table. It gives it a pivoting job over to the next point over.
Yeah.
So the pivot point keeps changing. Now, I found it extremely difficult to convince people that the bottom point is stationary. People don't want to believe that. I'm going to show them your alternate. I'm going to show you his senior citizen alternate. It's the high-tech.
Wait a second. It has to be, otherwise you'd have to slip.
Of course, but they don't believe that.
Yeah.
They don't. So here I have a rolling wheel. All this is stationary, right? And then this rolls.
Right.
Every point that's on the table is stationary.
Right.
Many other people, of course, that all the pictures, etc., due to our equipment problem is not available. But one name is Paul Conrad, who's another director who's arranging all the logistic and contacting the people, doing fantastic job. Larry is just a trooper educator who constantly motivates the people. He knows his subject by heart, spending years in the classroom. He knows exactly how the people they learn and how you teach them. There are many other fine people in the organization. Last but not the least, our seeds, our new planters, people coming from the different phases of life, bringing all different experiences, dedication, and true spirit of helping our country and building the future for the generations ahead. These are the people, the sincerity and the enthusiasm that
The Reseed program at Northeastern University seeks to improve student outcomes in science, technology, engineering and mathematics, STEM, by placing trained retired volunteer scientists, engineers and other STEM professionals in K through 12 science classrooms. Since 1991, the program has trained over 700 retired scientists and engineers in 14 states to assist science teachers in the classroom, delivering over 600,000 hours of classroom assistance at a cost of less than $5 per hour. Surveys have established a high acceptance of the program and belief in its effectiveness among volunteers, teachers, and students.
Work begins anew. The hope rises again, and the dream lives on.